Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear cookies from your Google Chrome browser. Okay, so this is my channel, this is IT Parivar page, and I'll request you to please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, just to support me, just to motivate me. Okay, so let's start now. So this is Google Chrome browser. In same way you have to open your Google Chrome browser, and you can see here three dotted points in corner. So you have to click here, and then you have to scroll down and you need to click on settings. Once you will click to setting option, you will get here option privacy and security. Okay, need to click on this. Once you will click here, you will see the option third-party cookies. Okay, click here, then scroll down from the right side. Okay, and then you will see here the option like see all site data and permissions. Okay, so you have to just click here. Okay, then you can see here all these are cookies for the respective websites, like for google.com, irctc, whatever you will use the websites. For all those websites, cookies will be stored here. Okay, so if you want to delete these cookies from your Google Chrome browser, so either you can delete one by one, or whatever you want to delete, like if you want to just delete any specific cookies, so you can just click on this trace icon. Okay, and just click on delete. You can see it's deleted now. Okay, if you want like to delete some specific cookies for that website, like this is for rogerpay.com. So you can see here is, once I'll click on the below arrow mark, you can see there are two you can say subsites or cookies here, that is checkout.rogerpay.com, api.rogerpay.com, right? So you can delete in this way also, right? Or if you want to delete all data, all cookies, just click here on all data. Okay, you will get a confirmation message here like delete all data, this delete this MB of data stored by sites. Okay, you will be signed out of all sites including in open tabs. So whatever websites will be it will be opened here in Google Chrome, you will be signed out, or that will be closed from the Google Chrome once you will click to delete. So I'm not going to delete all these cookies for now. Okay, but yes, in same way you can delete the individual or all cookies from the Google Chrome browser. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching IT Parivar.